kalian semua. Semoga semuanya lagi dalam keadaan sehat selalu. Amin. Dan buat teman-teman yang sedang berpuasa, semoga lancar puasanya, jangan sampai bolong ya teman-teman. Oke teman-teman, sebelum kita lanjut, kalian bisa subscribe dulu channel di bawah ini. Oke, dan video kali ini saya ingin memperkenalkan beberapa tempat wisata di Ambon tentunya pada kalian semua, supaya kalian kalau ke Ambon itu sudah ada planning mau ke tempat wisata di Ambon yang mana nih. Dan ini hanya sebagian dari banyak banget tempat wisata di Ambon. Oke teman-teman, enjoy the video.
Expected the world, but it flew away from her reach, so she ran away in her sleep. When she was just a girl, she expected the world, but it flew away from her reach, and the bullets catching her teeth. Life goes on, it gets so heavy, the wheel breaks the butterfly. Every tear a waterfall. In the night, the stormy night, she closed her eyes. In the night, the stormy night, away she flies. And dream of
when the days are cold and the cards all fold and the saints we see are all made of gold, when your dreams all fail and the ones we hail are the worst of all and the bloods run stale. I wanna hide the truth, I wanna shelter you, but with the beast inside, there's nowhere we can hide. No matter what we breed, we still are made of greed. This is my kingdom. close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on